In this video, we'll teach you how to order SHEIN cash on delivery. First of all, you need to open the SHEIN app. When you open the SHEIN, you need to choose the products you want to buy. For example, let's choose this one. Let's add it to the cart. After that, you need to go to your cart and click check with coupons in the bottom right. After that, you need to choose the payment method. At this moment, I have got only three options: PayPal, credit or debit card, and Google Pay. But as you can see, I don't have cash on delivery. That means in my region it's not available. So if you don't see cash on delivery right here under the regular payment methods, that means it's not available in your region. Some of you guys might have this option because you live in specific regions where it's available, but in my case it's not so. I can buy it with cash on delivery. So if you have the option cash on delivery, just toggle it on and finalize the transaction. So that's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.